Baby bears make motorbike humming sounds and love tree climbing games. When bear cubs feel warm, safe, and full from nursing, they make a vibrating, humming, or purring sound that sounds hilarious, just like a tiny motor engine. When mama bear needs to hunt, she sends her cubs up a tree. The high branches act as a natural daycare where the cubs play safely away from ground predators. Bear cubs love play fighting with their siblings. They wrestle, tumble, and gently nip each other, which looks adorable while secretly building their strength for adulthood.